Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices can talk. You already turned on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now keep the iPhone within about 10 meters of the watch so pairing signals are strong. Open the watch app on your iPhone and confirm it's using the same Apple ID as the watch. Once done, grant any requested permissions so the app can locate and communicate with the watch. This avoids connection hiccups and prepares you to trigger sound from the iPhone immediately. Now you'll cause the watch to emit sound. From your iPhone, swipe down to open Control Center or open the watch app and find devices. Tap the Apple Watch entry and select Play Sound or Ping. You'll hear a distinct chime and the watch will vibrate if haptics are active, so listen carefully. If you don't hear anything, try holding your iPhone closer and repeat. Sometimes weak Bluetooth requires closer proximity to complete the trigger. Finish by verifying the watch responded. Look for audio, feel the tap, and check the screen wake. If you don't get sound, make sure the watch is not in silent mode and its volume isn't muted. You can toggle silent from Control Center on the watch. If issues persist, restart both devices to clear transient connection problems and make sure both are running recent OS versions. If all else fails, unpair and repair the watch as a final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.